Welcome to Top Moments TV. With a new exciting episode. A daring rescue mission and a truck to transport wood. The stunts are waiting for you to discover. Don't miss it. Watch until the end of the video to feel the excitement. Let's get started. The massive wood grabber that was working hard in the middle of the woodyard suddenly encountered an unexpected problem. When it grabbed a huge log, which exceeded the load capacity of the grabber, the vehicle began to shake violently. The enormous weight of the log pulled the front of the machine down, causing the rear of the vehicle to lift into the air. The overloaded log truck was struggling to climb the hill. The long and heavy logs were piled high behind, shifting the weight to one side. When the driver stepped on the gas to climb the hill, the front of the truck suddenly jumped up. The front wheels left the ground, creating a scene that was both dangerous and impressive. The Kenworth T659 logging truck is a symbol of strength and durability in the forestry industry. This truck is built to conquer rugged, steep roads in the deep forest. Powerful engines, usually Cummins or Cat, help the T659 easily pull heavy logs through difficult roads. Image of the Kenworth T659 trudging through rocky slopes, with large logs neatly stacked behind. The Bell Mini Wood Grabber is a powerful and versatile machine, specially designed for working in areas with limited space or complex terrain. With its compact size, the machine can easily move through small paths in the forest or cramped wood yards. The machine's grabber is equipped with sturdy steel claws, which can hold and lift logs safely and accurately. One afternoon in the mountains, the tractor slowly moves on the red dirt road leading to the village. Behind, long bundles of bamboo are stacked on top of each other. The tractor driver, wearing a silver-colored conical hat, skillfully controls the steering wheel, his eyes looking far away as if he is calculating the route home. The sound of the tractor blends with the sounds of life, creating a scene imbued with the Vietnamese countryside. The 6x6 Nissan V8 timber truck looks mighty as it slowly descends the slope. The V8 engine roars loudly, as if it is fighting the weight of the large logs loaded on the bed. The large wheels grip the rough road surface, creating deep forest mud tracks. The massive chassis shakes slightly, but still maintains stability. A new day begins. The heavy timber truck begins its journey through the winding, steep mountain passes. The roar of the engine blends with the sound of the quiet deep forest, creating a challenging atmosphere. The driver, with steady hands on the steering wheel, nearly controls the vehicle through the rocky, rugged roads and sharp turns. The safe arrival of the timber shipment is a testament to his courage and the experience he has accumulated over the years. Winding mountain roads. A bulky timber truck suddenly overturned in the middle of the slope. Large logs were scattered. Immediately, the rescue team was mobilized. A powerful crane appeared. Each log weighing several tons was carefully lifted. After many hours of effort, the truck was gradually rebuilt. The damage was checked and the timber was neatly stacked. The compact bell logger is a powerful and versatile machine, optimally designed for transporting and arranging logs in logging areas. With its compact size, the machine can easily move in narrow spaces such as dense forests or timber yards. The powerful gripper arm is equipped with a sturdy clamping hook, allowing it to easily lift and move heavy logs with precision. Oh my God! How dangerous it is to see a truck driver carrying timber through a slippery mountain pass. The huge wheels seem to be just a little bit away from the edge of the cliff. While each heavy log shakes with the movement, the wet mud on the road makes the wheels lose grip. Each turn becomes a life or death challenge. But the experienced drivers are still resilient, keeping a steady grip on the wheel. The LKT-81 turbo log tractor is a powerful machine, specially designed for transporting logs in forests. With its powerful turbo engine, the LKT-81 is capable of pulling heavy logs easily and efficiently. Even in difficult and rough terrain, the LKT-81 turbo is not only outstanding in power but also in durability and stability, making the work of transporting logs quick and safe. The Durker three-wheel logger is a specialized vehicle in the logging industry, featuring a sturdy three-wheel design and flexible mobility on rough terrain. With a sturdy frame and powerful hydraulic system, it can easily lift and move long logs, saving time and effort during the harvesting process. This is definitely the most exciting truck race I have ever seen. The majestic trucks, with their powerful roaring engines, rushing through the challenging tracks, making the atmosphere even more tense. Every sharp turn, every skillful turn requires the absolute concentration of the drivers, as they control the giant, powerful, Steady vehicles on the bumpy roads. The Asiki 7000 tractor, powerful and durable, is working hard in the dense forest. Behind, a trailer loaded with fresh cassava, rolled in a layer of fine dust and brown soil. Although the weight of the goods on the vehicle makes the engine work hard, the Asiki 7000 still maintains its speed, each wheel rhythmically moving forward. MAN is one of the most powerful and durable vehicles, specially designed to transport heavy timber over rough roads. With powerful engines and impressive performance, MAN trucks are easy to drive on forest roads or mountain passes, where conventional vehicles are difficult to move. The man, with a tense and focused expression, was trying his best to grip the steel wire and hook it to the heavy log. Every movement required absolute precision, because one mistake could ruin the job. The excavator was ready to go, waiting for each wire to be tightened so that it could lift the log into the air, bringing it to the right position. The Timberjack 810B is a powerful saw designed for working in difficult forests and rough terrain. With a sturdy chassis and powerful hydraulic system, the 810B is capable of pulling, cutting and transporting large logs with ease. The Timberjack 810B's large wheels allow it to move flexibly over uneven terrain, ensuring work gets done quickly and efficiently. Modern wood splitters are powerful and efficient tools in the woodworking industry. With advanced design, the machine is equipped with sharp saw blades and powerful motor systems, which help cut wood into small pieces quickly and accurately. These machines today also have the ability to automate, minimize the risk of work accidents and optimize the wood production process. The man stood firmly on the rough ground, holding the saw, cutting deep into the trunk of the huge tree. Every saw stroke was filled with concentration and experience. His rough hands were used to this heavy work. The sound of the saw cutting into the trunk rang out steadily, like a calm melody in the quiet space of the forest. The tree trunk slowly shook. But the man did not take his eyes off his work, knowing that even the slightest mistake could lead to danger. The Tata TC-1212 rushed strongly through the stream, creating a majestic scene in the middle of the wild nature. The giant wheels of the car pressed down on the wet ground, splashing water high up, while the heavy logs on the car body remained steady, unshaken. But the Tata TC-1212 did not waver, continuing the challenging journey. Driving a large timber truck is a dangerous job, requiring the driver not only to have solid driving skills but also to be alert and experienced. These trucks often carry large loads, with heavy timber, making it difficult to move and prone to accidents, especially on bumpy, steep or winding roads. Drivers must always control the steering wheel, keep the vehicle balanced, avoid sudden braking or sudden turns, because loss of control can cause the vehicle to overturn or crash into other vehicles. Transporting an excavator up a steep winding road in the forest is no easy task. The road is narrow, winding, surrounded by dense forests, making it difficult to move. The sharp turns and steep slopes require the driver to have experience and dexterity in each operation. The excavator is heavy, with great height and width. On a rainy day, the road surface became slippery and muddy. The big excavator was trying to move forward, but its wheels were stuck in deep mud. Suddenly, a truck appeared, came closer and used its strength to pull the excavator out of the mud. This friendship is not only about helping but also about solidarity, trust in each other in the most difficult moments. The Mercedes 2651 truck, with its powerful engine and durable design, is one of the most reliable vehicles in the timber transport industry. With its large payload, the vehicle can carry a heavy load of timber on difficult roads, especially rough roads in the forest or mountains.
dari tanjakannya seperti ini.
Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.